Today, we're diving deep into an exciting piece of tech that's generating a lot of buzz in the world of photography, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. If you're a photography enthusiast or professional, this camera promises to revolutionize the APS-C, mirrorless camera segment with some major upgrades. But will it live up to the hype? Let's explore Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a major upgrade in 2025. Imagine you're standing in the middle of a vibrant forest, sunlight filtering through the trees, casting its glow on a hawk perched nearby. You lift your camera, half-press the shutter, and within milliseconds it locks onto the bird's sharp gaze. You press the shutter, and in a burst of 20 frames per second, you capture every fleeting detail. This is the kind of performance the Canon EOS R7 Mark II promises, but will it truly deliver on its bold claims? While the original EOS R7 made waves with its impressive features, the R7 Mark II is expected to bring even more to the table. Let's break down the key enhancements we're expecting and see if this model stands out in a crowded market. Upgraded sensor and image processing. One of the standout upgrades rumored for the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is a completely new sensor. While the resolution might still stay around 32.5 mppt, whispers suggest that Canon may use a stacked or backside illuminated sensor. This shift would greatly improve the camera's data readout speeds, reduce rolling shutter effects, and enhance low-light performance, which is essential for photographers working in challenging environments. Paired with a next-generation Digic X image processor, the EOS R7 Mark II could offer faster image processing, a wider dynamic range, and improved color rendering. These changes mean better performance under various shooting conditions, from complex landscapes to fast-moving action scenes. If these rumored upgrades come to fruition, the R7 Mark II could be an outstanding choice for both seasoned pros and serious hobbyists alike, particularly in sports, wildlife, and street photography. AI-powered autofocus. Fast and precise. The original EOS R7 was already known for its stellar dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, but the Mark II is set to take it even further. With the inclusion of AI-driven autofocus technology from the EOS R3 and R6, this camera will bring enhanced subject tracking, especially for fast-moving subjects like athletes or animals. The autofocus system is rumored to detect human eyes, animals, and even vehicles with a level of precision that's nearly unmatched in its class. Picture this. You're photographing a high-speed motorcycle race. As you pan with the action, the camera's AI autofocus will track the rider, ensuring that each shot remains in perfect focus. This technology will be a game-changer, not just for sports photographers, but also for wildlife shooters who need fast, reliable autofocus to capture elusive moments without missing a beat. Unmatched video quality for content creators. For those of you creating content or diving into video work, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to deliver outstanding video performance. Rumors indicate that the camera will support 4K 120p recording, enabling buttery smooth slow-motion footage. This would place the R7 Mark II in direct competition with high-end competitors like the Fujifilm X-T5 and the Sony a6-700. Moreover, the camera may feature 12-bit RAW video output via HDMI and even internal RAW recording. These advancements would give filmmakers a significant edge, allowing for more detailed footage with greater post-production flexibility. Pair that with advanced color grading capabilities through Canon's C-Log 3, and you have a powerful tool for creating cinematic quality content. Stabilization and smooth footage in body image stabilization has always been a critical feature for video shooters, and Canon is expected to refine this system in the R7 Mark II. If the rumors hold true, we could see improvements in both IBIS and electronic image stabilization, delivering smoother video and reducing rolling shutter effects during fast-paced shots. This would be a welcome upgrade for anyone shooting handheld or working on the move, whether you're capturing dynamic sports scenes or vlogging. When combined with lens-based stabilization, these enhancements would bring stabilization performance on par with higher-end cameras and gimbal systems, enabling handheld shooting without the need for additional equipment. Longer battery life and enhanced connectivity. Battery life is a common concern for many content creators, but the R7 Mark II is expected to address this with a more power-efficient processor. This could lead to longer shooting sessions, especially for users working on long outdoor shoots or video projects. Additionally, there's a possibility that Canon will integrate USB-C charging and power delivery, allowing users to shoot while charging. This would be a significant advantage for content creators who rely on long hours of shooting without interruption. On top of that, faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities could streamline file transfers, with the option to upload directly to cloud services like Adobe Cloud or Google Drive. This would greatly reduce post-production times, enabling quicker access to footage. Pricing and release date. A solid investment? The original Canon EOS R7 was priced around $1,500, and with the significant upgrades we're seeing in the Mark II, the price could rise to around $1,100 to $1,900. While this price tag is higher than its predecessor, it still remains quite affordable compared to full-frame models, making it an attractive option for photographers who want high-end features without breaking the bank. The release date for the R7 Mark II is expected to be sometime in late 2025 or early 2026, depending on market demand and Canon's strategic positioning. If you're looking for a camera that balances price, power, and performance, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could be the perfect choice. Is the Canon EOS R7 Mark II right for you? With its upgraded sensor, powerful processor, and cutting-edge autofocus, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a game-changing camera for both professional photographers and serious content creators. Whether you're capturing wildlife, sports, or cinematic video footage, this camera is designed to handle it easily.